Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so I'm here on my PC and I'm trying to update the Modern Warfare game. But as you can see here, my download speed is really slow and I've got 15 gigs to download and my speed is 1.14 kbs. So that's going to take all night. Probably won't finish downloading until tomorrow morning. So I'm going to show you how to fix this if you're having this issue. I think it's because the servers, everyone's trying to download the game, so the servers are probably having a lot of traffic or whatever, I don't know. But I'm going to show you how to fix this. Okay, so just go to settings here and go to settings and then go to beta and then just switch to beta. This will download and install the beta. Hit yes. As you can see, the speed has dropped to 34 there, 34 PS. Gone up a little bit. This is a joke, guys. Okay, so just wait for it to get to 100% and then hit restart now. And then go to the settings here and change the region to Americas. Okay guys, so you might have to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes. Just give it some time and the download will start to budge. It'll start to work, as you can see there. And what you can try and do as well, you can try and pause the download and then start it again. Do that a couple of times if it doesn't start to download. But yeah guys, this is how you get it to work. So as you can see, it's going up there 2%. So yeah, this is working for the PC. And it's Wednesday the 8th of April. So yeah guys, if it helped you out, be sure to thumbs up the video and also share the video. See, it's moving there, 4%. And when you're done, you can just go back into the settings option and switch it back to Europe. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.